Welcome friends. If your hips are aching and your body feels stiff in the morning as soon as you wake up, then this short yoga practice is for you. No props are required here. I just ask you firstly come down and lie on the front of your body here, and we're going to let the head rest on our forearms. And we'll bend at the knees here, and this is to help ease the lower back. Now we're just going to allow the legs to window wiper, so move from left to right. And notice how this eases the lower back. Left and right, no right or wrong way here. It just creates that nice ease in the lower back, where as women we can hold a lot of stress and tension here. And let's stop here and come to centre. Then we're going to come up onto all fours here. So we'll just bring the toes back down as we come back to all fours for cat and cow. So we can tuck the toes under here. The hips are over the knees. Fingers are spaced out here. And again, we just want to tuck the shoulders down away from the ears as we drop the belly here. Now you can invite the breath in here as well. So as the belly drops, we breathe in. Then we can breathe out as we create that arch in the back. Reminds me of a Halloween cat. And then move at your own pace here. Again, this is working into the hips, and again the lower back. Now there's no rush here, so just take your time, focusing on how that feels. Rocking that pelvis. And we'll do one more. As we meet back at centre. Now we're just going to swing the legs round as we come back onto our back here. If you lie out straight, hands down by your side here. And we're going to bring in the right knee. So we're going to bring the right knee in. Now don't pull, we're being gentle on ourselves here. Now you may want to tuck the tailbone up a little. So you may want to lift the hips up here, just to create that nice flat spine on the yoga mat here. Now, if you can, we will place the hands round the knees here. And now already that creates a stretch. So please note what feels good for you here. Now that might be enough, or you could let the right knee fall out to the side here. Just remember to keep that left hip down on your mat. And note if you're holding any tension in the left knee here. So just let this whole leg relax. Now, if it feels nice here, you can create circles with the knee, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Just noticing what feels good. We're just using gentle stretches here just to ease the body into the day. Then we'll place the right leg down on our mat as we bring the left knee in, and we do the same on the left side. So we can take the hands round the knee here, we can bring the knee into the chest, just hold here, noticing if that feels good. Is the hips tight? How's the lower back? And just focusing in on you. Then when you're ready, you can let the left knee fall out to the side here. And if you're ready, you can create circles here, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Feels good. And then you can bring the left leg down onto the mat and just give both legs a little shake here. And we're going to bring both knees in to the chest here, and we'll create circles, so knees go out to the side and then you can bring them back into the chest, out to the side, into the chest. Again, this is massaging the lower back. And all these movements can be done whilst lying in your bed. You don't even have to get out your bed and onto your mat. Now we'll come into our happy baby. We can take the knees out to the side, we can bring both hands in. Now options here, what's easy for you or most accessible for you. You can take a grip of the the outside of the feet here. You can place the hands inside, you can keep the hands on the knees. Again, what's suitable for you here, and remember this is first thing in the morning, so be gentle on yourself here. Now you can rock back and forth. Again, a nice massage for that lower back. Now again, if this is too intense, if the hips are sore, the pelvis is sore, bring both knees in and rock. And then find stillness. We can let go of the feet here. We can bring both knees together as we curl up into a ball, creating that nice stretch down the spine here. And then we can let the body come out, both legs down the mat as we take the arms up above the head. Creating that nice stretch. Now you can stretch out here. Now if you have the time to, days can be busy, you could take one final stretch. So we can take both arms over to the left here, and we can take both legs over to the left as we bump the hip out to the right here, creating that nice crescent moon shape. Feeling that nice side body stretch, just for a breath here. Then we can come back to centre. As we do that on the opposite side, just remembering to keep the opposite hip down on the mat. If the hip's lifting up, you've come over just a little bit too much here. Then we'll come back to centre. Now I invite you to turn over onto a comfortable side here, just before we get to seated. Just take a second here just to notice how you feel. And then we'll slowly use our arms to push us up as we come to a comfortable seated position. And we can start our day with some morning affirmations. So you can repeat these to yourself or repeat them out loud. I let go of things I cannot control. I am allowed to feel throughout my day. I start my day from a place of calm. And as we seal in our practice, we can take a breath in as we raise the arms up, as we bring our hands to heart. Namaste. So thank you for joining me on this short morning yoga practice. I hope you find ease in the hips and the lower back. Please let me know in the comments below. Now, if you do want to continue your journey with me, then you can download my free 7-day deep exhale reset using the link in the description. And I hope to see you here next week. Thank you. Namaste.